Between versus among. Today we'll make it simple and easy to remember.
Between versus among. Here is the easy rule. Between is used when talking about two things or people, sometimes more if individually considered. Use between for two people or two things.
Example, the secret is between you and me.
Remember, between usually involves only two. Next, among. Use among when talking about more than two people or things, a group.
Example, the news spread quickly among the villagers.
Remember, between is for two, among is for a group. Here are some mistakes people often make. Always ask yourself, am I talking about two things or a group? That helps you choose the right word.
Want more questions like this? Quiz link is in the description.